Are you planning a move from California to another state? Whether you're heading to Arizona, Texas, Nevada, or anywhere else across the country, SDC International Shipping is here to help. We're excited to announce that our renowned moving services are now available for interstate moves. At SDC, we know that moving can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With our experienced team of professional movers, you can trust that your belongings will be handled with the utmost care and delivered safely to your new home, no matter the distance. We provide tailored moving solutions to fit your unique needs, whether you're moving a small apartment or a large household. Our comprehensive services include packing, loading, transportation, and even storage options if your new place isn't ready yet. Plus, with SDC, you'll receive a free, no-obligation quote, so you know exactly what to expect. Moving out of state? Make it stress-free with SDC International Shipping. We've got the expertise and dedication to make your interstate move as smooth as possible. SDC International Shipping, your trusted partner for interstate moves from California to wherever life takes you next. If you have any questions or need a free moving quote, give us a call or visit us at sdcinternationalshipping.com for more information and to fill out our free quote form.